morning, everyone. Today I am up at 8:13. Well, I got up at like 7:30 in the morning because I'm going on a road trip to Huntington Beach, California. And I'm so excited. I'm going with my best friend Miranda. It's gonna be so fun. And today I'm actually filming on a really good camera. It's the Canon EOS Rebel T5. So I hope you guys can like tell the difference, obviously, within my like quality. So basically this morning started off to a shitty ass start because I really just wanted to eat a fucking bagel, but the only fucking bagel that we had at the house was fucking cinnamon raisin. Like, who the fuck likes cinnamon raisin bagels? Like, that is not correct. But right now I'm at the ATM because I have to deposit some money into my, like, some cash into my bank account because I don't really like carrying that much cash because I'm an irresponsible ass bitch and I always lose my money if it's not on my debit card, because how could I ever lose my debit card, you know? And then I'm gonna go get gas, then I'll pick up Miranda, and then we'll be on our way. This guy literally got out of his whole ass car just to like deposit money at the ATM. I don't know why everyone and their mom is at the ATM at 8:18 in the morning on a Wednesday. I also got this drink because I obviously want to drink coffee because I fucking love coffee, but like coffee either gives me diarrhea or anxiety. So I just got this like organic energy drink with green tea and yerba mate. Oh, it is not good, but okay. If it gives me energy, that's fine. I honestly think that I was the quickest money depositor you've ever seen. Finally on our way to Miranda's house. I mean, we're still leaving like 20 minutes earlier than we wanted, so that's pretty good. No. 3 hours and 41 minutes left. Yay. Yay! Road trip! Road trip. Ooh, I like this song. Where's 32? It's raining! We could die! I have to pee so bad and we're so far away from a bathroom and it's raining and I'm scared and there's trucks and there's a lot of cars. And this Toyota is definitely riding my fucking ass when I'm going 80 miles per hour! Like,
eating our ass right now.
Okay. Guess where we're going? Phil's Coffee. Why? Because Emma Chamberlain goes to Phil's Coffee. We finally made it. We're going to Phil's right now. We're literally like 2 seconds away from the beach and we're gonna check into our Airbnb in a little. We're getting some coffee because we have to wait to check in for like another hour.
to Phil's, got some coffee. I literally already drank all of mine personally. And then we went to Urban and Brandy, and I bought some things at Brandy because I have no self-fucking control. So, yeah. Look at the beach, bros. We're hella beaching. We just made it to the Airbnb. So, I'm gonna change because I look like a bum. And I'm gonna fucking pluck my eyebrows because I forgot to do that. Probably put some makeup on so I'm not that crusty looking. And then we're gonna go back down to Huntington, like the beach, obviously. And then we're gonna probably get some dinner, you know, eat something nice and healthy. And then we're gonna walk around. Oh, let's do a Brandy haul. Okay, so the first thing I got was this little butterfly wallet. And you might be thinking, what the fuck, like who needs that, right? But I have had this lightning bolt wallet from Brandy for like 2 years at least, and it's just like really old and worn down. Like it used to look like this and now it looks like this. So I got a new one and I'm so happy. I got this little butterfly one because like lately I've been obsessed with butterflies, like so obsessed that I impulsively got a butterfly tattoo. And then the next thing I bought were these little silver star earrings from Brandy. They were only $4, so I was like, fuck it, right? I had like the gold ones that were a little bit bigger, but I lost those. And then I also had other star ones, but I also lost those. So I just bought these, and I finally bought silver ones because silver like matches with my other earrings. So I'm probably just gonna put those in now and wear them all the time. Yeah, duh. That's why we came on this trip, to boost our Instagram and make a vlog. And then the last thing I got was this cutie shirt because I'm in love with like their random ass crop tops, and it was 20 bucks. Not really worth the price, but like really cute, and I'll probably wear it tomorrow. Cause like I didn't really like any of the clothes I bought. I was kind of like about it, or like brought here. So like I just decided to buy a new shirt so that I can wear it tomorrow. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's my Brandy haul. So I'm gonna go change and then I'll see you guys
They're not
later.
gonna watch unless you're giving this one.
Please give me views. We're kind of upset because rain has literally
very rainy.
ruined our day, and we were gonna just like go walk to the beach because our Airbnb is really
Starting route to
close.
Phil's Coffee. Head
'Cause
south
our-
on Alabama Street, then turn right onto East Adams Avenue. Turn right.
Oh, thanks. But since it's so rainy, and do we have a f***ing umbrella? No! Anyway, we're gonna go find a place to eat. It's so rainy, and we're sad because we wanted to go like walk around, and it was like sunny earlier here. We decided to get some Fred's Mexican food out here.
Yeah. I was impressed. Fucking bitch.
Welcome to my vlog. I hope no one else is in this except for me.
You showed the view.
Yeah, I did. Of course I did. Anyway, we're at a Mexican restaurant trying to...
The Swordfish is award winning. Get Molly on.
Thank you.
Do we want to start off with any appetizers for the moment?
I think we're good. Okay, just gonna look. Thank you.
The Baja fish sounds good. Oh, the surf and turf sounds good, but I'm not eating.
What can I eat? Let's see.
We're phone vlogging because I didn't bring the camera because I miss phone vlogging. Look at these seagulls. They're probably like fighting over some food. Look where we are. Just look. Just take a look. We're walking to the beach, even though it was literally just raining like 2 minutes ago. We got dinner. Our parking is $1.50
Every 15 minutes.
So, yay. That's fun. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Doesn't it feel like brown sugar because it's like wet? I hope this seagull poops on you, Miranda. Why is it so sunny now?
What the fuck?
Huntington weather is actually bipolar.
Hey guys, this is what Huntington 80% chance of rain looks like.
Literally. Earlier I stepped in dog poop. Like actually. These waves are big. Oh my god, the surfers are out. I'm gonna find a husband. Oh, I wanna surf. Yeah, I don't give a fuck about skater boys anymore.
Whoa. You want to look for shells?
Yeah, when we get closer. Let's go touch the water.
Oh my god, it's so cold! It's so cold! What did you just do?
What? I just yelled at him. He was trying to come in our food. I go, no. And
Hey,
but he put his wings out. He looked like he was trying to fight me or something. Oh, hell no, B. You gotta go. He's gone. I got rid of him. Is he trying to pull up on my stuff?
move your head.
This lady really over here doing the absolute most. I'ma just stay right here. If he tries some shit, I'ma go out.
No, they ate our burrito! Are you fucking kidding me?
No.
What do we do? Grab the bag. Fuck, man.
I'm sorry, bro. I don't want to get attacked. So basically, a bunch of seagulls just ate literally both of our burritos. Like, we are upset because
We literally ate none of the burritos so we could eat them later in the bed watching a movie.
but the seagulls decided to fuck our day. So that's really nice of them. We've decided we hate seagulls. F you seagulls, you literally suck. They literally, like 10 of them swarmed around it. I was so scared. Alright guys, so I think this is the end of our vlog for today. It's literally 7 p.m. and we're just tired and probably just gonna chill out. But we'll definitely vlog tomorrow and see you tomorrow. But I think this is the end of this vlog, so thank you guys for watching this. Bye.